Tasty Dal Spinach Curry. Dal and spinach gives a healthy recipe. Very tasty when served along with rice, roti or chapathi. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 3/4 cup of Toor Dal. Add 2 cups of water. Also add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid. Cook on medium flame for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, switch off the flame. Leave it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Everything has cooked well. Now we can make the grinded mixture. In a grinder jar, take half cup of grated coconut, 3 shallots, 2 green chillies, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon chilli powder. Add half cup of water and grind it nicely into a paste form. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds. After mustard seeds spluttering, keep it low flame. Then add 5 chopped garlics, 3 red chillies cut into halves. Mix it well. Saute it for 2 minutes on medium flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 2 minutes, add 1 chopped onion, some curry leaves, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for 5 minutes on medium flame until it becomes light golden color. Now add 250 grams of chopped spinach. Mix it well. Close the lid. Cook on medium flame for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, we can open the lid. Spinach have cooked well. Now add previously cooked dal to it. Also add the grinded mixture. Mix it well. Now wash the grinder jar with 3/4 cup of water and add to it. Add required salt. We are adding half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame. Our tasty Dal Spinach Curry is ready. Dal and spinach gives a healthy recipe. Very tasty when served along with rice, roti or chapathi.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.